it's Alex and welcome again to English for Academic Writing. On this fifth session, we're going to be learning about finding and filtering internet sources. So why is it important for us to filter internet sources? The reason are, the internet is now a major source of research information, but be careful though. There are three things about internet sources. They can be either good, bad, and ugly. Now, the ugly matter, what does it mean from like ugly matter? Take for example, when you buy a canned food and then label it as your own and then give it to others. But does it mean that it is your own production? Same with here. Many students take internet sources for granted without telling or identifying about the source or the author or publisher. This is considered plagiarism. You're making other person's work appear to be your own, and that is not good. Now, the bad matter, you will find many articles that are actually not worthy of citation in your research paper. While you're researching for your paper, you will encounter many websites which turn out as commercial sites. The good matter, if you know where to look, the internet is loaded with many marvelous materials such as articles, illustration, sound, and video clip, and even raw data or research. Now, if you're asking how to filter these data then, now there are 6 tips that you can consider. Now, the first one is beginning an internet search. Throw your mindset of beginning your search in your favorite browsers such as yahoo.com, google.com, and many other websites. Why? Because they are all commercial websites or .com. Each of these links will try to sell something to you. Choose .edu or .org sites. These domains are developed by an educational institution. Another option are the GOV or government and MIL or military sites because they usually have reliable materials. The second one is reading an internet address. Understand the basic information for reading a Uniform Resource Locator or URL, for example. Take a look at this website address. Now, the protocol, the HTTP, transmit data. The server, www for World Wide Web, is the global internet service that connects the multitude of computers and internet files. The domain, which in this case georgetown.edu, names the organization feeding the information with a suffix to label the type of organization. The directory/file library _catalogs find one of the server's specific file. The hypertext markup language HTML names the computer language used to write the file. The third one, using a search engine. Keep in mind that search engines change often, and more are added each year with others disappear. Search with more than one browser, because one cannot catalog even half of the sites available in internet. There are 5 types of search engines, as you can see on the screen. Now, the 4th tip is searching for articles in journals and magazines. You can either find it on online journals or online magazines. You can find and search through articles in newspaper and media sources. Why? Because it is easier to find them, especially if you have local weeklies to consult with, even the online one. And last but not least is accessing ebooks. That concludes the 5th session for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.